Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image in an editor with layers and content-aware fill. Duplicate the background so you have an undo-safe copy, and zoom to the text at 100% so you can judge detail. Next, make a loose selection around the letters using a lasso or rectangular marquee. This gives the algorithm context without harsh edges. Once done, feather the selection slightly to about 1-3 pixels so fills blend. Now you are ready to apply the removal tool and review results. You proceed by trying content-aware fill first. It analyzes surrounding pixels and generates a plausible fill, which is fast and often effective for simple backgrounds. If the text sits over texture or repeating patterns, switch to clone stamp or the patch tool, sampling nearby areas to recreate structure. Work in small passes so you don't introduce repeating artifacts, and use a soft brush with low opacity for gradual blending. Make sure to use layer masks to hide or reveal corrections non-destructively. You finish by zooming in to check edges and tiny details. Use the healing brush and a 2.8 pixel soft brush to remove halos and edge artifacts, blending pixels naturally. If you see pattern mismatch, recreate that texture on a new layer with clone stamping and blend it using reduced opacity and masks so it looks seamless. Make sure to save a layered file for future edits and export a flattened copy for delivery. If results look synthetic, undo and try smaller sampling areas or different source patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.